Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix incorrect password on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to fix incorrect password your Instagram, so let's see how can you do this. If you are trying to log in your account and you are having an issue, so let's see how can you solve it. You just have to open your Instagram app. So just open it, and here you have to enter your phone number, Gmail account, or username if you have, and then you have to enter password. But if you are having issue of incorrect password, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to tap on forgot password, and after that this type interface will appear. You have to enter your email or username, as I'm going to enter mine. So after that just tap on continue, and then here you have to enter your code which you all sent to your Facebook, as I have entered the selected profile, as I have selected mine, and after that you can easily log into your Instagram account. So that's how you can easily fix incorrect password on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.